got all the mold lines sanded off and sprayed water over it to get the bulk of the PVA off. There's still a little bit here and there. It's a bit of Scotch-Brite, I'll fix that up. Now I'm going to be doing the body work. So polyester filler in there. The fiberglass I use is polyester based, so it works perfect for this. Good adhesion. A few little nicks and dings and stuff. One in there. Still a bit of water on it. And then there's like a weird dent there that I'll fix. I'm not going to show any of that, but I am going to be working on the chassis at the same time. So it's going to be a quick put together one because I've got a little the Christmas festival coming up and there's a car show there, and I want this to debut there, even in its rough form. Gonna chuck some wheels under it, maybe put a handle on the back. It's going to be slammed, so I might not even be able to push it through grass, but it's going to look really cool. All right, this is body number 1, right? This is the one with the damage. It's got the big flat spots on the sides of it. I'm using this for mock-up. That's body number 2, and body number 3 is in the mold. Been moving quick sticks on those. But anyway, so piece of wood, 3/8 or 10 mil, just chipboard. I got it going just just past halfway. So a lot of this is going to get cut away for the wheel to sit in here, and then there's going to be a threaded rod attached to a block of steel that's attached to this, which could tie into the rest of the structure I'm going to build in here. But then there's going to be a kickboard up here, probably in as deep as I can get it, for leg room for the little kids to sit in. Steel structure with a piece of steel running along underneath, so the body can sit on it. I've got some rubber somewhere that I can put there so it doesn't rattle too much. This piece of wood's going to be tucked up in there like that, as high as I can get it actually. There's a little gap in here. I'm going to try and fill that gap with the wood. So lift it up. The wood's going to come back to about here, this join line, roughly. This is going to get cut out for the wheel, and again there'll be another piece of threaded rod with the wheels. And then out the back there's going to be a little socket for a push handle. It'll come up to like a T-piece with some handle grips. Yeah. So let's do that. Bam! There it is. Still doing body work on it. Still got some bits of stand and stuff. Just chipped bits of gel coat and little tiny low spots and join lines. And I went through the gel coat in a few places, so I just decided to just put a little smear on in all those spots. My stainless steel TIG welded. Loving the colours on it. I'm getting better at it. Still not, weld porn material. A few air pockets in there are filled up. This is polyester body filler, and this gel coat and resin is polyester based as well, so it sticks really well. Still sand a little bit more around there, and on that headlight too, a little bit more. They're really fiddly, so I sort of abandoned them for now. But I'm going to be taking this bad boy to a Christmas festival car show. Might see if I can get my little boy to sit in there and push him around a bit. My little girl, she's almost 6 and she's too big to go in there, and she's very disappointed. Whereas my little boy is 2, so he'll love it. But he's got a short span of attention, a bit like me, so he'll probably just want to jump out and run around, which is fun, chasing him around, talking to people. Anyway, let's take it there. This thing was a hit of the show. Heaps of people loved it. Lots of smiles, laughs, good comments. A little boy loved it. Yeah. He's 2, so he's easily distracted. He got apple juice and stuff all over it. Santa was there, he put 2 big handfuls of lollies inside for him. And the bearded dragon was chilling out in the bonnet. Hood, as you'd like to call it in America. So I've got a lot more plans for this guy. I want to paint it up, do a bit more interior on it, Put a little steering wheel there, maybe some horns. We cut the boot lid out, hinge it for storage. Could potentially do the bonnet too, but for now it's just the boot. Yeah, it's a good time. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned because I've got a lot more plans on miniature cars, not just the 32s, but mini ones of all different makes and models. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.